In this video, we'll talk about the morning success rituals. A vast amount of information was shared about morning success rituals throughout these videos, and it's evident that you have to start your day right to create the perfect momentum for the rest of the day. 1. Smile. Your first exercise routine should be a smile. A smile is free. It's the best cosmetic surgery, and it will help to relax you. Try smiling right now and see if you don't feel an instant peace in your heart. 2. Show gratitude. After you smile, then you should show gratitude to the world around you for the ability to experience a new day. Through meditation, you will hear your inner voice more distinctly. You will have the opportunity to search your soul and discover your most profound desires. Sometimes, if you listen keenly, you will begin to understand exactly what your path should be. 3. Drink more water. Drink some water, at least a liter, to hydrate your body. Water helps with circulation, improves your skin tone, assists with your weight loss, and the purification of your body. Water is the best drink to have. It is imperative that you always consult your physician about things that will affect how your body functions before attempting to do them. 4. Positive affirmation. You need positive affirmation. Motivational audios or books are a great source of motivation. After you meditate, then you can listen or read from something from your favorite motivator. Positive affirmation is a must among your daily routine, and you have to learn to be your greatest source of inspiration. This will help to block all the negative voices which will tell you that you do not have the ability to achieve. Feeding your mind with positive food sets the tone for you to improve your knowledge. Take some time in the morning to read. Most of the knowledge you will acquire in life will come from your experiences and what you teach yourself. 5. Exercise. Next, you engage in some vigorous exercise. Go for a long walk or run. Do some stretches or yoga. Get physically active. By the time you've completed the above activities, you will feel fully rejuvenated and ready to face the new day. You can start with your most challenging task and then work your way through the others. How you end your day can impact how your day starts. Therefore, aim to end your day on a good note. Your body needs time to unwind from the wear and tear of the workday. Take some time to relax in the evenings. Designate time for your family. Never neglect the ones you love in pursuit of your wealth. It will be very lonely at the top of the ladder of success if you do not have anyone to share your success with. 6. Plan for tomorrow. Make plans for the next day. Prioritize your task. Make a list of those that are critical to least important. Assess your day if you have accomplished your entire task, and if you had not, what prevented you from achieving that task? If it is possible, you should exercise in the evenings too. Say goodbye to the world of work with whatever relaxation techniques you have, and settle in for a healthy, prosperous future.